Have you ever wondered what cladding actually does for your home? Is it just about aesthetics, or does it play a more significant role in high-performance homes?
We're here to show you why cladding is more than just aesthetics. It's a critical part of how your home stays protected, energy efficient, and built to last.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Zelena Homes. Today we're unpacking cladding, exploring what it is, why it's so important, and how it works as part of a high-performance home.
We'll cover the different types, their benefits, and even take you behind the scenes of the Satella project to show you how cladding was installed.
Cladding isn't just about making your home look good. It's a key player in protecting it from harsh weather, maintaining energy efficiency, and enhancing its durability.
But here's the challenge. Not all cladding is created equal. Some types look different but don't perform well. Others might be durable but aren't energy efficient. Choosing the right cladding is all about finding the perfect balance.
Think of the cladding as part of your home's protective armour. It's not just one layer, it works as a system, with each layer having a specific job.
First, you've got the cladding itself. This is what you see from the outside. It's the first line of defence, protecting the house from rain, wind and sun.
Behind that, there's a weather-resistant barrier. This layer keeps moisture from seeping through and damaging the interior.
Then comes insulation. This is where the energy efficiency kicks in helping to keep the house warm in winter and cool in summer.
Finally, there's an internal layer like plasterboard. It's what gives you a smooth, finished look inside the home. Together, these layers work to create a durable, comfortable and energy efficient space.
Just want to show you a quick video and a bit of a rundown on how we manage our moisture and air tightness within our builds. We use the Proclimer products. It's an all-in-one system, so caters for everything. And so whether it's your roof wraps, your wall wraps, it caters. It's an all-in-one system. It helps with moisture, condensation, durability, air tightness. It's also known as a weather-resistant barrier. So I just probably want to run through, I guess this is a little mock-up of, the stages and how our walls and roof systems are actually set up. It's probably one of the most important aspects in the builds that we carry out. Unfortunately, all gets covered up, but really contributes to the performance, energy efficiency and comfort at the end of the job. So on this particular project, for example, we've used the Mento Plus roof wrap. It is directly fixed to our rafters. This job here, we've used the counter batten, and then we have our roof battens followed by our roof sheathing. So what we've created is a ventilation cavity sheathing actually under the underside of our roof sheet. So most of the year there's condensation under your roof, and any of that gets captured, drops down, hits our Mento Plus membrane and falls away and finds itself outside the building. I guess if we move down to our wall system, it's a different product known as Extasina, and we wrap all our walls with this. The key component, I guess, in this is ensuring that this wrap is pulled taut, it's tight, but also the main key thing here is ensuring that your tapes are pressed down with a press fix, and ensuring that all your details around rafters, floor junctions, whatever it may be, you're ensuring that you're covering up every hole and that it is made airtight. That will assist with no moisture or air penetrating this. However, these wraps are designed for everything to breathe from the inside out, ensuring that there's no condensation, moisture, mold within your building. So again, we'll have typically our studs, we've wrapped it, we'll use a counter batten, and depending on what type of cladding system you use, it just may require a counter batten. I've just got an example here where on this project we have used a linear weatherboard, and they will be fixed directly to your batten, and that gives us a nice little breathing cavity space behind our cladding system. If you're using something else, whether it's timber, whether it's matrix, Axon for example, will also have a horizontal batten, and it's slightly different setup, but again it allows for a fully ventilated cavity system, just keeps everything dry, the cavity dry, allows water to run out from the cavity. So for us it's just a must on our projects using these Proclimer products. So just, I guess, some technical sides and warranties to these types of products. They're a non-monolithic product, meaning that they don't expand and contract, I guess, like other products in the market, causing them to, I guess, decay, you know, which ends their life period a lot sooner than these types of products. They provide 180-day UV protection, which means that theoretically you can, to a certain degree, start building inside, knowing that you've got a watertight, airtight barrier around the envelope of your home. They're a high vapor permeable. They're class 4, so that's very important to ensure that, you know, your builder is across this using the correct roof wraps and wall wraps on your system. The Tate's 100-year warranty, and it's an absolute great system to use, and I'd highly recommend it for any builder out there wanting to use this as a retrofit system, a custom build, passive, or a high performance home. So having just gone through the wraps, the battening, I just probably want to quickly touch base on, well, when does insulation go in? Well, you can probably see behind me, we've got our frames up, walls are wrapped. Similar to what's here, we come through, our insulation team comes through, and all the insulation installed is either in between our rafters, or they will come through at time, and all these walls then will be insulated. So in conclusion, this gives you a bit of an idea of the mock-up, the systems that we use, and why we use the Proclima wraps.
For the Satella project, we chose cladding that not only looked beautiful, but also met our standards for energy efficiency, moisture protection, and durability.
It's just not about the looks, it's about the performance. The cladding here works alongside the insulation and the air sealing to create a home that's both airtight and energy efficient.
By carefully selecting the right materials, we've created a home that's as comfortable and sustainable as it is stylish. Cladding is much more than a decorative feature. It's an integral part of your home's performance, protecting it from the elements while helping to maintain energy efficiency.
What you can see here is that I've just installed fly wire mesh. This is going to prevent any insects, vermin from getting up through the cavity and up the wall, and performs a great solution to that. The other benefit of it is having our counterbatten and our batten, creating a cavity. We bring our cladding down over the top, and it still allows the cavity to breathe, and still allows any water, moisture or condensation to run out and escape through the bottom onto the roof.
When done right, cladding works with the rest of the home to create a space that's built to last and designed to be enjoyed.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe our channel.
And don't forget to share it with anyone building or renovating. It just might help them out. Got questions? Leave a comment below and we'll be happy to answer.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.